Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to check the update reward on the Genshin Impact Mobile. So without any further ado, let's get started. First thing you need to do is you need to log in into your Genshin Impact Mobile account, and if you already log in, you can click on the top right the book icon. The book icon on the top right,
It's an emergency. It's on you.
and wait the for payment like this, okay?
Good at this
Wait for the payment, and next the payment is finished to talking to you, okay? And then you can click the book icon, and after you can click the book item, you can click claim the reward that you can claim, okay? Like this. And also on the guide you can claim the reward like this, okay? So here it is. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you like the video, you can like, comment, and share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. And if you have a questions, you can leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.